What's up guys, it's Chelsea. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking about dry shampoo. We all use it, we all love it. And in quarantine I have found the perfect money-saving hack. It's $3.50 for a year's supply, so you really can't say no to it. It's toxin free, it's all natural, and here's how to do it. Woo-hoo. Okay, so the first thing you need is this arrowroot starch. This is so good. If you have IBS, you should automatically just buy yourself a bag for hair and then buy yourself a bag for eating, because it is the most digestible starch your body can have. So just buy yourself the bag. It's also really cute. So it's like $3.50 on Thrift Market. Anyways, this little brush, it's a blush brush, like $5 from Target, whatever. Anyways, I dropped some essential oil in here, the peppermint essential oil from Young Living. And go in there. This is the fun part. And then you go at your roots, dab, 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 and then go under, dab, go under some more, and then you flip your hair over. Don't forget to do that. And dab that bad boy all over the place. Like, you can't have too much of this stuff, but really a little bit goes a long way. So then you brush it out. I always use my wet brush. This is the biodegradable one with watermelon essential oil. And this one works really well. It makes your hair super smooth. It doesn't smell like watermelon though, so I don't know how that works. But if you put a little bit of heat on it too, like just a little bit with the hair dryer, it makes it even more voluminous. And that's pretty much it. And the way this works is when you do it with a hair dryer, there's a little bit of a more stable process, because the amylose and the amylopectin will create like a gelatinization, and the hydrogen bonds will kind of give you more volume. And I'm going to stop myself there. Actually, I took 5 semesters of chemistry, so you're always going to get that level of deeper information, but that's what I care about, because that's actually what products are, is their active ingredients. So that's why anytime you're looking for a cheaper alternative, you should just look at what the active ingredient is. Like, the active ingredient in most dry shampoos is cornstarch, but arrowroot starch is kind of a healthier ingredient for your skin and for your body, in my opinion, from my research. So you can do your own research though. So, and it's more expensive, but cornstarch is cheaper, so that's why all these companies are buying it up and putting in their products. So anyways, so I just buy the active ingredient and I don't buy all the crap. But that's my tip of the day. I'm just gonna stop myself there. Anyways, thanks for watching.